I'm Juan Medina, founder of Lalo, and I'm going to give a quick overview of what we're building. Lalo is a solution for remembrance and grief. It began from my own experience of losing my father at the age of 25 and later realizing that when he passed, I not only lost him, but the stories, memories, and traditions. My vision for Lalo is not only a place to preserve your most valuable memories, but to connect with those you love. And through that process of conversations and storytelling, to support you on your grief journey. So let's jump into the app. The first thing a customer would do would be to dedicate a space. So in this case, we're honoring the life of Maya Rivera, but customers could pay tribute to another friend or family member, or simply create a private space to share with close family and friends. Once that space is defined, then you invite people to it, as you would in most social media platforms. Once you invite folks, you can also create groups to make it easier to share and add privacy. Once you have your community and space set, then you can do one of three actions. The first is to add a memory, and that memory can take the shape of an audio, video, picture, text. You can have it on your device already and upload it or create that within the app. Once you say share a picture, you can tell us a little bit more about that, when and where it took place, and why that memory is important to you. Again, you can share it with whomever you like. We definitely tried to over bias on privacy. Once you publish the memory, the idea is that other folks in your community can add their perspective of that story or that person, adding to a much richer and deeper storytelling experience. The second feature or action that you can take is a simple audio or video call. Here, this is for families that are all over the country or all over the world. You can call a relative and ask them about a childhood experience or how they met their loved one and be able to record that conversation, not only for you and to share with other family and friends, but for future generations. The last piece I want to show you are these conversation starters. So we've included a number of different questions based on life stage, but you can also create your own custom questions. Join those different questions that you've chosen into a pack and send them on to your family and friends. What's nice about this approach is that it might prompt conversations that you haven't had in the past, but folks can answer on their own time. We all lead busy lives. And then you can process those responses and ask follow-up questions again. And that could take days or weeks, however long you want. So that was a quick overview of who we are and what we're building. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach me at Juan, that's Juan, at lalo.app. Thank you so much.